Inside industrial vision, one of the most fascinating food manufacturing processes begins with a material most people would never expect to become a familiar dessert. Every day, tons of collagen-rich material enter this facility, beginning a transformation that will eventually turn tough biological tissue into fine, pure gelatin. First, powerful jets of water thoroughly wash the material, removing unwanted surface impurities before the extraction process begins.
Once cleaned, the material moves deeper into the factory, where carefully controlled treatment prepares the tough collagen for extraction.
Controlled chemical treatment gradually weakens the strong molecular bonds holding the collagen together, making the material ready for the next critical stage. Now the real transformation begins. Heat and controlled pressure break down the treated collagen, allowing its proteins to gradually move into the surrounding liquid.
What was once solid tissue has now become a valuable protein-rich liquid extract.
Next, vacuum evaporation removes excess water under controlled conditions, concentrating the gelatin without exposing the proteins to unnecessarily harsh temperatures. As the concentrated extract is rapidly cooled, its physical structure begins to change, preparing it for drying and solid processing. As the concentrated gelatin cools further, it changes from a flowing liquid into a soft, solid gelatin material. Precision rollers spread the gelatin into an even layer, creating a uniform sheet that can be processed efficiently. Next, the sheets enter a carefully controlled drying tunnel, where air gradually removes the remaining moisture. Removing this moisture transforms the soft gelatin into a dry, stable material that can be stored, transported, and processed further. Once completely dried, the sheets are ready for one of the most visually dramatic stages of the entire process. Inside precision mills, the fragments are reduced again and again until the gelatin reaches the fine particle size required for rapid and consistent dissolving. Now the fine gelatin powder enters enormous mixers, where controlled movement creates a completely uniform blend. For the classic strawberry variety, carefully measured color and flavor ingredients are added to give the powder its familiar appearance and taste. The mixture is blended until the color and flavor are distributed evenly throughout the entire batch. After all of these stages, the result is a fine, uniform strawberry gelatin powder, ready for its final transformation. When the finished powder is prepared, it is combined with hot water and mixed until every particle dissolves into a smooth solution. Then the temperature begins to fall, allowing the gelatin proteins to form the structure responsible for its famous elastic texture. This is the moment the liquid becomes the familiar soft, elastic gel that people recognize as gelatin. Precision equipment then divides the finished product into consistent portions, ensuring every package contains the same carefully controlled amount. Finally, the finished gelatin reaches the packaging line, where automated systems protect it from moisture and contamination. Every sealed package passes through final inspection before leaving the factory. The tensile strength on batch 4 seems low. The camera readings confirm it. Let's pull another sample. We're seeing peak efficiency on the gelatin line since the upgrade. Excellent, the packaging quality is consistent across the board. Once sealed, every package begins its final journey through industrial vision, where automated systems prepare the finished gelatin for inspection and distribution. Each package passes over a precision scale, making sure the correct amount of product is inside before it moves any further. High-speed cameras then inspect the packages, checking their appearance, alignment, and seals in fractions of a second. The seals are also tested, because even a tiny opening could allow moisture to damage the delicate gelatin powder. But automated inspection is only part of the process. Random samples are regularly taken from the production line for detailed quality testing.
In the laboratory, technicians examine samples to make sure the finished powder meets the required production standards.
One important test is dissolution. The powder must dissolve smoothly and consistently when prepared with hot water.
Even the color is carefully checked, so every batch delivers the same recognizable strawberry appearance.
The results are confirmed. Batch 7 is approved for production.
Excellent. Let's move forward.
Robotic arms rapidly arrange the individual packages inside shipping cartons, keeping every box organized and secure.
Once filled, each carton is sealed tightly and sent toward the distribution area.
Shipping information is automatically applied, allowing every carton to be tracked from the factory to its destination.
Next, a powerful robotic arm stacks the cartons into perfectly organized pallets. Layer by layer, the finished products are arranged into stable loads, ready for storage and transportation. A protective film is wrapped around each pallet, helping keep the cartons together and protecting them during transportation.
Put the strawberry gelatin on rack 12, please.
Copy that, moving it now.
When an order is ready, forklifts retrieve the correct pallets and move them toward the loading docks. Behind the scenes, hundreds of pallets can be organized across massive warehouse aisles, waiting for distribution.
Every pallet is scanned and recorded, allowing the factory to keep track of exactly where each batch is stored.
As new orders arrive, the required cartons are selected and prepared for their next journey.
At the shipping dock, finished gelatin waits only moments before beginning its journey outside the factory.
Forklifts carefully load the pallets into transport vehicles, ready to carry the finished product toward distribution centers and stores.
The industrial vision truck leaves the factory, carrying a product that began its journey as collagen-rich raw material.
From here, the finished gelatin travels through the distribution network toward the people who will eventually prepare and enjoy it. At a distribution center, the pallets are unloaded, sorted, and prepared for their final destination. Cooling now takes over. As the temperature falls, the gelatin proteins form a three-dimensional network that traps water inside. And finally, the transformation is complete. A smooth, elastic strawberry dessert emerges from the powder that began its journey inside an industrial factory.